Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve the derivatives of trigonometric function, logarithmic function, exponential function, and the maxima minima.
Derivatives of trigonometric function. This is our problem. Y is equal sec 3x over 1 plus tan 2x. We will use quotient rule to get the derivative of this problem. The quotient rule is g times f prime minus f times g prime over g squared. This is our f and this is our g. Our f is sec 3x and our f prime is 3x tan 3x. Our g is 1 plus tan 2x and our g prime is 2 sec squared 2x. And now we will get the derivatives and follow this formula. Our g is 1 plus tan 2x times our prime 3x tan 3x minus the f sec 3x times the g prime 2 sec squared 2x over the square root of g is 1 plus tan 2x squared. And then we will simplify this. Multiply these two. 1 times 3x tan 3x is equal to 3x tan 3x plus 3x times tan 3x tan 2x minus the product of these two equals 2 sec 3x sec squared 2x all over 1 plus tan 2x squared. And then we write this 3 sec 3x tan 3x plus 3 tan 2x sec 3x tan 3x minus 2 sec 3x sec squared 2x over 1 plus tan 2x squared. And this is our final answer. Derivatives of logarithmic function. And this is our problem. Y is equal to x cubed square root of 2x minus 5 over x squared plus 7 raised to 6. The first thing that we are going to do is take the natural logarithmic of the both sides. And expand it using the properties of logarithmic. Ln y is equal ln x cubed plus ln 2x minus 5 raised to 1/2 minus ln x squared plus 7 raised to 6. Ln y equals 3 ln x plus 1/2 ln 2x minus 5 minus 6 ln x squared plus 7. And now we can derive both sides. The derivative of ln y is y prime over y. Derivative of 3 ln x is 3 over x. Plus 1/2 times the derivative of ln 2x minus 5 is 1 over 2x minus 5 times the derivative of 2x minus 5 is 2. Minus 6 times the derivative of ln x squared plus 7 is 1 over x squared plus 7 times the derivative of x squared plus 7 is 2x. Simplify it. Y prime over y is equal 3 over x plus 1 over 2x minus 5 minus 12x over x squared plus 7. And then we do this operation equals 3 times 2x minus 5 times x squared plus 7 plus x times x squared plus 7 minus 12x times x times 2x minus 5 over x times 2x minus 5 times x squared plus 7. Simplify it again. Y prime over y. We multiply these 3, but first we multiply these 2. 3 times 2x minus 5 is 6x minus 15, copy the x squared plus 7 plus x times x squared plus 7 is x cubed plus 7x minus 12x plus x is 12x squared and copy the 2x minus 5 over x times 2x minus 5 times x squared plus 7. 6x times x squared is 6x cubed plus 6x times 7 is 42x minus 15 times x squared is 15x minus 15 times 7 equals 105 plus x cubed plus 7x minus 12x squared plus 2x is 24x cubed plus 12x squared times 5 equals 60x squared over x times 2x minus 5 times x squared plus 7. We simplify it again by collecting like terms. Y prime over y equals 6x cubed plus x cubed minus 24x cubed is equal to negative 17x cubed. Negative 15x squared plus 60x squared is 45x squared plus 42x plus 7x is 49x minus 105 over x times 2x minus 5 times x squared plus 7. And then we multiply both sides by y, cancel both y prime, and substitute the value of y above, which is x cubed square root of 2x minus 5 over x squared plus 7 raised to 6 times negative 17x cubed plus 45x squared plus 49x minus 105 over x times 2x minus 5 times x squared plus 7. Cancel x and then combine. X squared square root of 2x minus 5 times negative 17x cubed plus 45x squared plus 49x minus 105 over 2x minus 5 times product of x squared plus 7 raised to 6, and x squared plus 7 is x squared plus 7 raised to 7, and this is our final answer. Derivatives of exponential function. Our problem is y is equal to e raised to 3x squared plus 5 raised to 2. Formula in getting the derivatives of exponential function is eu times du dx. Our u here is 3x squared plus 5 raised to 2. And getting the derivative of u, we use power rule, which is 2 times 3x squared plus 5 times derivative of 3x squared plus 5 is 6x. Times the 2 to 3x squared plus 5 is equal 6x squared plus 10 times the 6x. Our du dx here is 36x cubed plus 60x. And now we can get the derivative, the eu times du dx. E raised to the value of u, which is 3x squared plus 5 squared times the value of du dx, which is 36x cubed plus 60x. And this is our final answer. Maxima minima. The problem is a closed rectangular box whose length is double its width has a total surface area of 300 square meter. Find the maximum value. First thing we do is draw the figure, which is a rectangular box. This is the length, the width, and the height. The first condition of this problem is the length is double its width, and the surface area is 300 square meter. Equals 2LW plus 2LH plus 2WH. And then we substitute the value of L. 300 is equal to 2 times 2W times W plus 2 times 2W times H plus 2WH. Can transpose the product of 2 times 2W times W. This is 300 minus 4W squared equals 6WH. Sum of 2 times 2WH plus 2W. Divide both sides by 6W. Cancel the 2 6W. So H ang naiwan. So H is equal to the 150 minus 2W squared minus 3W. So our volume is L times width times height. The value of L, which is 2W times W, we can 2W squared times H. V is equal to w squared times the substitute the value of h is 150 minus 2w squared over 3w. And then we can cancel the w. So v is equal, we can factor out the 2/3 times 150 w minus 2w cubed. So now we derive it in terms of w. du over dw equals 2/3 times the derivative of 150w minus 2w cubed is 150 minus 6x squared. Equate it to 0. And we divide both sides by 2 over 3. Cancel. So we have 150 minus 6w squared equals 0. Transpose the 150, so we have negative 6w squared equals negative 150. Times to negative, we have 6w squared equals 150. Divide both sides by 6, so we have w squared equals 25. Square root, so we have w is equal to 5 meter. So now, we will get the value of L, which is 2w squared. Substitute the value of w, which is 5 meter. 2 times 5, the length is equal to 10 meter. And the height is 150 minus 2w squared over 3w. Substitute the value of width, which is 5. So we have 150 minus 2 times 5 squared over 3 times 5. H is equal to 20 over 3 meter. And finally, we get the volume. Length times width times height. RL is 10 meter times 5 meter times 20 over 3 meter. So we have the volume is 1000 over 3 meter cube or 333.33 meter cube. And this is our final answer.